Now we're going to work through a couple of application problems that use inequalities to solve the problems. So this first one says Joe plans to invest $15,000, part at 4.5% simple interest and the rest at 6%. What is the most he can invest at 4.5% and still be guaranteed at least $780 in interest per year? Okay, now we want to know what is the most that he can invest at 4.5%. So we're going to let X be the amount Joe invests at 4.5%. Now, the amount he invests at 6% will be everything else. And we know he has a total of $15,000. So if we take the $15,000 and subtract how much he puts in the 4.5% interest account, that'll be how much he invests at 6%. Okay, now if we talk about the interest that he's going to get from his investments, he'll get 4.5%, which we turn to a decimal, so 0.045 on the amount he invests in that account. Plus, he'll get 6% as a decimal, 0.06, in the amount 15,000 minus X, the amount in that account. Now, we want that to be at least 780. Now, at least means greater than or equal to our $780. Okay, so we just need to solve this linear inequality like we've solved in the previous videos. So the first thing I'm going to do will be distribute this 0.06. So we'll have 0.045x plus, I'll do 0.06 times 15,000, which is 900, minus here we'll do 0.06 times x, so 0.06x is greater than or equal to 780. Okay, now I'll combine my like terms, so we have 0.045x minus 0.06, so we get negative 0.015x. And we're going to want to subtract 900 from both sides. So if we subtract 900 from both sides, 780 minus 900 is negative 120. Okay, so now we need to divide both sides by negative 0.015. And remember, when we divide by a negative number, we will switch the sign. So x is going to be less than or equal to $8,000. So the most that he can invest at 4.5% and get that return is $8,000. So that would be our solution to the first one. Okay, let's look at one more. So it says, Jessica can be paid in one of two ways for selling insurance policies. Plan A, she gets $750 per month plus a 10% commission on sales. And Plan B, $1,200 per month plus an 8% commission on sales above $3,000. Okay, so we want to find out for what amount of sales is Plan A better. So we're going to let X be her amount of sales in 1 month. So let's write out Plan A, and we'll write out Plan B. So Plan A is $850 per month plus 10%, so 0.10 on her sales. Plan B is $1,200 a month plus 8%. Now, this is on sales above $3,000. So it would be her sales minus the first $3,000. Now, we want to know for what amount of sales is Plan A better. Well, better means we're making more. So we want to know when is this greater than this. Okay, so to solve this, let's leave the left-hand side alone for right now. We'll distribute the 0.08, so we'll have plus 0.08 x minus 240. Okay, let's combine like terms on this right-hand side. So we have 1200 minus 240, so 960 plus 0.08x. Okay, let's subtract the 0.08x from both sides. And we're going to subtract this 850 from both sides. So we're going to have 0.02x is greater than, so we have 960 minus 850, 110. So now we need to divide both sides by the 0.02. So we get that x is 5,500. Okay, so we could say plan A is better if she makes more than $5,500 in sales.